Okay, this video is about how to replace rollers in a screen door. Some rollers are different. They don't have replaceable wheels. They have replaceable corner brackets, and they look something like this. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to knock it out and replace it. So I've already taken the screen part out, the cord, this part that holds the screen in right there, and then I've also removed the screen, and that holds these corners in. And so now I'm knocking out the corners with a piece of block of wood. I just want you to see what this looks like. So there we go. Be careful not to knock your hands. You have to kind of smack it pretty good with a piece of wood here. And I'm using a rubber mallet. I apologize for this camera not being great. But, so let's see. There's the wheel. And you just, at this point, you take the rubber mallet, knock it out this way. Bang. There you have it. There's the wheel. Of course, that's not replaceable. You're going to have to get new corner brackets.